Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
It's your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with another review for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 1 Phantoms, they're calling them. Phantom Gem Reds, sales, whatever you want to call them. These released March 16th. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet at the end of the video. Y'all know how I do. Big shout out to my bro Ness1. All his information be in the description below. And also, before we get into this, man, you, hit that thumbs up before we get into this video. Click that subscribe button. And also click that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Jordan brand is going crazy with these Jordan 1, guys. There's a lot of people out there that do like Jordan 1s. I'm definitely a Jordan 1 fan. I love them. They're coming out with a lot of different materials on the shoes, which I'm going to show you guys now. It does come in your typical Jordan 1 box. Nothing special at all. As you guys can see, we got an all leather upper with your stitching in red. Real basic shoe. Nothing too crazy. Can wear this with a lot of different things, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, about to show you guys right now. First off, we're gonna start off. Does come with 3 sets of laces, guys. All right, you got your red laces, and you can see does come with the Jordan on the bag. You got your red laces, you got your black laces, and it does come on the shoe with white laces. I didn't do too much research on the shoe. I guess this shoe, they're basically just trying to give you more like that vintage look on these shoes, on the Jordan 1s, and you know, with the different materials of leather and different parts of the shoe and certain things like that. As you can see, you got your white in front of your toe, you got your wrinkly effect in the front of the toe box, perforated holes, you got your red stitching also in front. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the leather in the front is soft. Just look when I push down. Real soft, man. I'm not gonna front. Like, you got different kind of leathers. You got a real nice soft leather in the front. When you get to the back, it's like that stiff leather. And when you get to the middle of the shoe, it's kind of stiff. You know what I mean? All right, like I said, you got white laces. Now, as you can see right here, take a look. You got some white where the eyelids is, where the laces go through, with your red stitching. Now, take a look at that tongue. You got the zigzag stitching that they made all throughout the tongue. You also got your Nike Air. Take a look at the midsole. You got your sail on the midsole, of course, that goes around the shoe. You got a red lining where the swoosh is. Now over here on this part of the leather, take a look. You can see you got your wrinkly effect there also. Now that part right there is not soft. It's not, you know, some real good soft leather. It is stiff. I guess it just gives it that cool wrinkly look if you like it. You know what I'm saying? You got your Air Jordan in black with the wing. With the basketball. Let's take a look at the medial side. Medial side, same as the lateral. You got your red stitching with the white leather throughout your whole upper. Sail on the midsole. Back of the shoe, take a look now. You can see that wrinkly effect back there. Now, this one is more wrinkly for some reason. Take a look at this one compared to this one. When you get your pairs, y'all guys gonna see this. This is crazy. When I first opened the box, I was like, whoa. You can see back here, you do got a nice kind of, feels like a nylon material back there. Upper, it's a nice thick comfort padding on the top. As you can see, you got your all white inner sole with the Nike Air in red. Very nice. Sock liner is in that red and that nylon kind of inner material. Bottom of the shoe, take a look at the bottom. You got your all sail bottom with your Nike branding right there. Looks pretty dope to me. For sizing on Jordan 1s, I do recommend you go true to size. I'm a size 9, and every time I get a Jordan 1, I just stay true to size. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to show you what they look like on feet right now, so you can decide if you like them or not. Thank all you guys out there for your support. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.
They they should be alarmed. I'm going off, back on my bullshit, I'm stepping in sauce. Straight to the cheddar, can't wait for tomorrow. I just did a bullet for serving that rock. 2, 3, and 1, sat in the dark, wishing I could take a walk through the park. Still reminiscing about days in the yard. It's been a little minute, we hang on the block. Let it delete, guess what I said? I told them don't let that shit go to your head. You gon' be good once you done with this bed, cause once you took down, bro, we gonna be rich. Remember them nights, damn I was sick. I spoke to CJ and he missing his kid. I told the G-Money he facing the crib. They offered him life and he still ain't gon' snitch. Yeah, that's my dog, they tryna bark. They wanna stop us but we going off. My brother's cop diamonds, he left showing off. Come from the bottom, head straight to the top. Raising the hood, don't know how to act. We going off, let me get in my bag. Still on my hustle, I'm counting these racks. They tryna keep up but we coming too fast, yeah. We coming too fast, still got a lot of this weight on my back. I'm tryna grind but they stay on my ass. I gotta keep pushing, I know that's a fact. If I call you my brother, you know that I'm riding. Hit after him and I told you I'm wildin'. If I don't fuck with you round you, I'm silent. Cut off the faces, let's see what's behind them. Niggas be faking, I'm tryna make it. Stick to my virtue, I gotta be patient. It wasn't for me, so I had to erase it. Free all the homies still fighting their cases. In my own lane by myself, I ain't racing. Right into shot, yeah, it's so but I play it. Wish I could see him again, I'ma thank him. Stay with the banging, bitch, I'm highly ranking. They should be alarmed, I'm going off. Back on my bullshit, I'm stepping in sauce. Straight to the cheddar, can't wait for tomorrow. I just did a bullet for serving that rock. 2, 3, and 1, sat in the dark, wishing I could take a walk through the park. Still reminiscing about days in the yard. It's been a little minute, we hang on the block. Let it delete, guess what I said? I told them don't let that shit go to your head. You gon' be good once you done with this bed, cause once you took down, bro, we gonna be rich. Remember them nights, damn I was sick. I spoke to CJ and he missing his kid. I told the G-Money he facing the crib. They offered him life and he still ain't gon' snitch. Yeah, that's my dog, they tryna buy.